I have not spoken to my boyfriend. Korean skincare max. Give the consumers what they want.
Happy birthday! All my favorite people in one house.
Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. We are all decked up, ready to go out. We're already where we have to be. Actually, it's a Monday today. Today I also have to go to L'Oreal office. So right now I'm headed to L'Oreal office for a confidential meeting. So cannot reveal what's happening there. Why are people honking? Signal अभी खुला है, उड़ के जाएंगे हम. ये पूरा सुंदर मेकअप मैंने बाय द वे गाड़ी में बैठ के किया, इसलिए अधूरा लग रहा होगा आपको, क्योंकि मैंने आईब्रोज, आईलाइनर और थोड़ा सा आई शैडो नहीं किया है, क्योंकि गाड़ी इज कॉन्स्टेंटली मूविंग. तो वो सारी चीज अब मैं लॉरियल ऑफिस में बैठ के करूंगी. दिस ट्रक गाय गॉट नो चिल. एक तो वो बड़ी गाड़ी है, कहाँ घुसाएगा वो. लुक हुज हियर. Manasi and Haley after so long. Oh my god, ages. Haley has had a full transformation. Always looked gorgeous, pre and post. Yes.
Thank you.
Later that same evening.
Okay guys, so where am I in life right now? I popped a pimple because I have been very stressed. मेरा stress level बहुत high है currently because मुझे काम का बहुत pressure है. Plus, Reet is out of network since 5 days. So since 5 days, I have not spoken to my boyfriend. I have no idea where he is. I have no idea if he's okay. I'm genuinely worried about him. I don't know what to do than just stress or pray for him. So I came back home. I prayed for him. Fudge is also extremely grumpy. He's not doing the best. अभी मैं उसको जाके उठाने वाली हूँ. Hear him growl. Say hi to the Sara squad. He was basically constipated for 3 days. तो वो इतना गुस्सा था. गुस्सा ही है वो, बस वो गुस्सा है. उसको कुछ नहीं करना. He just wants to lie down. After the bite, he's just not been in a mood to do anything. अभी इसकी दवाई का टाइम है और मैं शीट मास्क लगाई हूँ क्योंकि मैंने अभी पिंपल फोड़ा है स्ट्रेस में. जैसे कि शीट मास्क मेरी जीवन के प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने. Now just watch him while I try to put betadine and ointment on him. This is the update on Fudge's dog bite. उसको इतना ज़्यादा काटा था वो कुत्ते ने. मैंने सब उसके आजू बाजू के बाल काटे हैं. वो बहुत गुस्सा होता है when we go to apply medicine. I have to put betadine and ointment on it. Mostly तो heal हो चुका है, but फिर भी बचा हुआ तो है. 10 दिन तक डॉक्टर ने बोला है लगाने. अभी आज उसका 4 तारीख को काटा ना. 5, 6, 7, 8 है ना आज. 8, 4 दिन हुए हैं उसकी बाइट को. छोड़ो. गया बिस्तर पूरा गया. Look at the amount of drama I have to deal with of this boy. बेटाडीन पूरा बिस्तर पे गिरा दिया, जाके पिलो पे सो गया. He's so grumpy. He's in a lot of pain. Honestly, you guys, I'm not doing okay. Genuinely not doing okay because it's just been one after the other. जैसे ही मैं travel करके आई हूँ, मेरी body इतनी थक गई है travel करके. Last month में, May month में मैंने सोची थी June में I'll take it easy. I'll be at home. मम्मी के घर का खाना खाऊंगी. I'll go to the gym. सब कुछ करूंगी. ठीक हो जाऊंगी. And you know, I'll revive my body, but my body is not getting a break because of the stress it's being put through. It's just been one after the other. Of course, work is तो always there. तो काम का pressure लेने की तो मुझे आदत हो गई है. But this Fudge का bite, as a mom, I'm a very protective person in general. I'm overly protective and overly caring towards the people I love. Of course, towards Fudge, वो तो मेरा बच्चा है. He cannot speak, right? He cannot express his pain, and I can see he's suffering. He's in so much pain because he's not able to like 2-3 days से he didn't poop. He didn't even pee lifting his legs. He was having so much hip joint pain कि वो सुसु करते समय उसका पैर भी नहीं उठा पा रहा था मेरा बच्चा. इतना वो दर्द में था, and to see that was so painful. Like the entire weekend went in that, which is why in the last vlog I barely even could process and talk to y'all after he got bit. I don't know, I'm just really going through it because of that, and also because I'm not able to talk to Reet at all. He's in the mountains. वो ट्रैक पे गया है अरुणाचल प्रदेश and एकदम out of network वाले पहाड़ों में गया है. तो he's very much out of network and I've never gone even more than 3 hours without talking to Reet. Like अगर हमारा झगड़ा भी हो गया, हम 3 घंटा बात नहीं करेंगे max. उससे ज़्यादा we've never gone without speaking to each other, and the fact that we've gone 5 days without speaking to each other, I will cry right now. Like, I'm not able to do this, and it's so hard to be in a long distance relationship. So I never want to make this channel about my relationship or make my relationship very public. We're not oversharers when it comes to our love. Very rarely do I post about how I'm feeling in my relationship, but this time, because I'm so lonely, I'm also PMSing, so that means already मेरे hormones out of control चल रहे हैं. Just hope I get my period, dude. At least कुछ तो सही से हो जाए, बस period आ जाए, क्योंकि if periods come I feel a lot better. वो भी नहीं हो रहा, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा, फज भी ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, इतना चिड़चिड़ा है ना वो. I'm not even getting burps from that breadcraft का Frankie, and Zomato delayed मैं out of 1 hour. जिस दिन मुझे खाना है उस दिन उसने मेरा खाना 11 बजे ला के दिया, तो 11 बजे मैंने भारी रेस्टोरेंट की तेल वाली फ्रैंकी खाई हूँ. I'm honestly disappointed in my decisions right now.
The next day.
मैं शूट करते करते ज़मीन पे बैठी हूँ, and I've cried and bawled my eyes out because Reet just called you guys. I just got I was working on the laptop, and ऊपर phone call आया, and it was his number, and Sharon had my phone, and Sharon was like, Reet is calling, and I took the phone, I came in the bedroom, I sat on the floor, and I have bawled my eyes out crying and talking to him. I heard his voice after 6 days. I can't believe it. There was a point in these 6 days that I genuinely thought that I would never hear his voice again. And he also thought that because his वो जो ट्रैक करने गया था बहुत मुश्किल था apparently, and he was like बहुत मुश्किल हुई है, and there were points at which he did not think he would be able to do it. My heart is beating so fast. I can't express this feeling to any. I don't know how many of y'all are in a long distance relationship. I don't know if y'all have partners who are trekkers or go into mountains and disappear. Like him and I, like I said, have never gone more than 4 hours without talking. Like आज छठा दिन है, अब भी मेरी उससे बात हुई, और अभी भी he had to keep the phone because he just got one dundee at one point, and he immediately called me and he was like, I was dying to hear your voice, and the only motivation to finish this trek was, I wish you all could have heard him, but मैं तो बस रो रही थी और बस उसकी आवाज़ सुन रही थी. But now the trek is over. Now they're eating and then they'll descend. So descent पे they'll be into a village today, and वो village से शायद he'll be able to call again in the night. अभी भी 3 दिन है for him to go back to Assam. Then Assam में he'll acclimatize a little and then come back to Bombay, because अभी वो इतने altitude पे गया, it's not advisable for him to immediately come back to Bombay. Dude, my heart is beating too fast. Like, he has no idea what all I've been through, what all Fudge has been through. He's telling me you have no idea what I've been through. उसको लगी है, उसको हाथ पे लगी है, उसको पैर पे लगी है, उसका जो back injury है वो re-trigger हुआ. He's apparently not slept in 5 nights. In all these days, when I was losing faith, I was just holding on to, sometimes just faith actually, just like knowing that Allah Pak is going to take care of him. I was crying, I was praying, and I was crying in my prayers कि बस उसका ध्यान रखना, वो जहाँ भी हो उसका ध्यान रखना. That's it. Sometimes you have to believe in your love so strongly that only faith can take you through it. Like, so many people on the internet keep asking me, how do you do it? How do you have so much faith in him? How are you all so mature through it? It's like, it is so hard to be without the person you love for so long. Anyways, we've not been together in more than a month at this point. Last हम साथ में 8 मई को थे, जब मैं कोरिया निकली और वो असम निकला वापस, और वो भी हम 1 हफ्ता ही साथ में थे. उससे पहले भी रीत उधर थे, and I was traveling. So we were just together for a week. Overall, though, we've not been together for 2 months. This time at a stretch, but it's been more than 2 months now, and he's now to 7 दिन से out of network. So yeah, it's challenging. It's not easy. इतना मन कर रहा है कि I should go to Assam for the weekend. Might just go also. Once he comes back to Assam, depending on how he feels, I'll just go to his house. If he's not feeling good, I'll go. If he's feeling okay and he wants to come back to Bombay, let him come back.
A few moments later.
Tuesday, shoot day, we are making dot cake with Hum Tumor hot chocolate. It's been a while that I have promoted our hot chocolate powder. It's actually a good selling product that अपने आप जिसकी audience है वो लोग आके खरीदते हैं. It's of course not a hero product, so I don't focus on it right now. We are, because monsoon mein it's a really nice indulgence. It's not sugar free though, it has sugar, but if you don't care about that, it's great. It's amazing, tasty. It's got Like it's very tasty to make cakes, to make a chocolate drink, and also children love this. Like ईशान still loves his hot chocolate. बच्चे लोग को बहुत अच्छी लगती है और मुझे भी बारिश में या पीरियड के वक्त या गला खराब होता है तो this is the most soothing thing to have with hot milk. You also get this free if you buy any 3 products. If you buy, you can buy frother, 50 gram jar, iced tea, 100 gram jar, any 3 products and get hot chocolate absolutely free. That's always the offer on the website. अगर कोई और सेल चल रही है तो ये नहीं चलेगी, कोई भी एक ही डिस्काउंट मिल सकता है. ऑफ कोर्स सब कुछ फ्री में थोड़ा. I've been seeing that New York dot cake. Literally 3 ingredient dot cake. This is just maida, baking soda and hum tum और hot chocolate. And अब ये जाएगा microwave में.
The next day.
This is the look of a defeated person because look who just left the house. कौन छोड़ दिया घर? कौन मम्मा का सुनता नहीं है? कौन है ये बच्चा? कौन है ये बच्चा? किसका बच्चा है? सीधा मैं निकली, वो भी निकल गया घर से. He's like मैं तो आपके साथ ही चलूंगा. चिपकू मैक्स फज को अगर बीमारी हो, if he's alright physically, mentally, he's not gonna chipko to anybody. But if he's not well, he's my pet. Literally, he's my pet. Stuck to me.
One eternity later.
Good morning. I have been a little absent in the last 2 days. मैंने vlog नहीं किया है because ऐसे कुछ हो नहीं रहा था एक्साइटिंग वर्क. ऑफिस वर्क में क्या ही व्लॉग करूँ, फिर आप लोग भी देख के बोर हो जाते हो कि मैं काम कर रही हूँ, तो ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. सो आई वाज़न्ट व्लॉगिंग. बट टुडे इन ऑफिस वी हैव अ कंज्यूमर्स कमिंग. वी हैव अ फोकस ग्रुप विच आई कैन नॉट टेल. इट्स अ वेरी बिग सीक्रेट. वी आर वर्किंग ऑन एक्चुअली वेरी मेनी एक्साइटिंग थिंग्स एट इम्पल्स एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी really like shocking because I've been doing consumer calls every evening. So every evening 6 to 7 I talk to my consumers. We have this digital focus group and then आज हमारा physical focus group है जिधर हम sampling भी कराएंगे of our new product, the first batch of samples that I have. So every time I refine the samples also I have focus groups because now everything I formulate I want to do it with my consumers because we have a good consumer base mashallah से. Like first coffee जब बनाया and all that तभी I did not like focus so much on consumer research. I was just doing things what I felt was right and what the team and viral क्या था in that moment. Like जब Dubai chocolate viral था तो pistachio launch किया, did really well. अभी pistachio के sales have died down. Like जितने लोगों को पसंद है वही, so we don't push that product also that much. So any new product I want to launch on Impulse, I want it to be a very consumer focused brand in general. के consumers ने ही ये product बनाया, उनको जो चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है वो मैं उनको दे रही हूँ और उनके taste के हिसाब से दे रही हूँ. तो इसलिए taste बहुत important है because I have a beverage brand, so of course they have to taste and decide. Really love the community I've built at Impulse mashallah से. Like when I have these consumer calls, they're such smart women. Like most of them are all women. अभी तक I don't have a single man on the consumer call, but most of them are women and they're such smart women. Like when they talk on these consumer calls, I'm like wow, मैंने तो ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं था. And I love that, you know, I love decisive smart women who can make calls for themselves. They all buy our product because they know how good it is. They know what they want for their bodies. They know what they want for their families. And that's the kind of consumer Impulse has built and the kind of trust they have in us is insane. So it's been really nice to have these consumer calls क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है देख के कि इतने independent smart लड़कियाँ हमारे like औरतें लड़कियाँ all females are like our, you know, consumers. So it's a really nice thing to see. Mentally I've been very low, like on the personal side of life. Like काम माशाल्लाह से बहुत अच्छा exciting चल रहा है, but personally I'm very down. मुझे periods भी आ गए तो आज second day तो I'm very drained emotionally. आप मेरी आँखों में देख सकते हो. Plus Reet is very sick. वो ट्रैक ने उसको पूरी तरीके से चूस लिया, that अरुणाचल वाला ट्रैक, and I told you he almost died on that trek and now his lungs, he has asthma, so he has anyways breathing issue. उसको इतनी खांसी हो रही है कि वो बात भी नहीं कर पा रहा है. तो he's going through a lot health wise and I'm feeling like I have this itch in my body to just go to Assam and take care of him even if it's for a day because आज रात को नानी के घर पे रोजरी है. So I have to go to Nani's house because Nani also wants me. It's like everybody wants me on the weekends and I have to be at work also. It's a lot like emotionally personal life में मेरी बजी पड़ी है. फज बीमार था वो, उससे मैं ठीक हुई थोड़ा. like stress, अभी मेरा stress थोड़ा कम हुआ है. फज ठीक हो गया है तो माशाल्लाह he's looking at me right now because I'm getting ready. He knows I'm going to office. He also wants to come but I'm not taking you today to office because consumers are coming and then you will do. Actually you want to come? Consumers are coming too. You want to come to office? ओके लेट मामा गेट रेडी. आज सारे स्टाफ नहीं आएगा कंज्यूमर फोकस ग्रुप के दिन बिकॉज हमारा ऑफिस छोटा है ना, तो भी हाँ अब भी नहीं जा रही है मम्मा, रुको. आई एम गेटिंग रेडी, आई एम डूइंग मेकअप. दिस Dior स्टिक फाउंडेशन ब्लेंड्स आउट सो नाइसली. बस कवरेज देता है मुझे ना, इधर थोड़ा थोड़ा रेडनेस हो गया. आई थिंक मैंने ज्यादा ही एक्टिव्स यूज कर लिए. कोरियन स्किन केयर मैक्स हो गया मेरा. नीड टू कंट्रोल. बट या दैट्स द अपडेट ऑन माई पर्सनल लाइफ. इफ यू आस्क मी, इट्स नॉट द बेस्ट राइट नाउ. मतलब ये लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस भी इतना चला है ना इस बार. रीत ऑल्सो नोस कि मेरा हो चुका है. लाइक मेरी मतलब मेरी पूरी बॉडी चाहती है कि वो वापस आ जाए. मेरी विथ ऑल माई शिद्दत आई विश असम वॉज लाइक अ ब्रिज अवे एंड आई कुड जस्ट लाइक take my car, go on the bridge and bring him back. I know if he comes to Bombay, I will take care of him. He'll be all right. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि he can't take care of himself or his parents are not there. They're there. But I have that motherly instinct which is so strong with everyone who's sick. Anybody and everybody who's sick. Like अगर पूजा को भी कुछ भी होता है, I'm always like, तू इधर आ जा, I'll take care of you. It sucks. I live a lot of my relations in long distance. I've realized that my friendships, my partnership, my everything is in long distance at this point in life. I'm bleeding from a full organ and I'm managing so much mentally in my personal life, in my career and so much. And women are so strong and every woman does. Like I'm not saying मैं कुछ अजीब हूँ या मैं कुछ एकदम अमेजिंग इंसान हूँ. सारी औरतें करते हैं. इवन इफ यू आर अ हाउस वाइफ, यू हैव सो मच टू मैनेज. यू हैव घर का खर्चा, बजटिंग, यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर योर फैमिली, योर चिल्ड्रन, योर इन-लॉज, योर पेरेंट्स, एवरीथिंग. प्लस you have to see what is to be cooked every day for everyone in your house. Just imagine, like my mom is not a housewife. She has her work, but she does all of this and she does more. And then you go through so many hormonal changes. Like women are the strongest. मेरी family में तो मैंने हमेशा देखा है कि women are the strongest. For male figure, I only have my dad. I don't have brothers and stuff. तो मैंने कभी male figure जैसे family में देखे ही नहीं है. But yeah, men तो अगर उनको कुछ थोड़ा भी होता है तो उनको rest चाहिए. And I'm like, bro, we don't even take a period leave. Although there is a concept that if my girls get their periods, they do take leaves and that's okay because I can understand. Yesterday I wanted a leave. I was in so much pain. मेरा first day of period था. But इतना काम था कि मैं बैठी रही फिर मैं भूल ही गई कि मुझे दर्द हो रहा था. फिर रात को आके मैं एकदम flat बिस्तर पे लेट गई कि मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा था. I was feeling very low because mentally also I was my back is paining a lot. Actually मैंने gym में back मारा and then I got my period. So wrong timing of everything. This is Marucha Beauty की brew. थोड़ी मुझे wash out करती है but मैं lip liner लगाऊंगी इसके ऊपर. थोड़ा फटाफट तैयार होने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. बस लिप लाइनर इज द मॉर्फी वाला जो मुझे पसंद है. वो जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाती है. मैं अच्छे से तैयार होके जा रही हूँ ऑफिस. मन कर रहा है मेरा. कंज्यूमर्स आर कमिंग ना, they'll take pictures. That's why I'm getting ready and going nicely. I must say that going to the gym regularly really does make such a big difference to your body. Like I look at my collarbones and मैं chest press मारती हूँ, मस्त एकदम strong हो गए मेरे pectoral muscles. I am overweight. I'm not like the ideal weight. I'm 87 kgs now. So I have body fat along with muscle. So like this is their fat, but there's also good muscle quality. अगर मैं थोड़ा अपने खाने पे कंट्रोल कर लूँ ना तो मेरा fat loss हो सकता है. But जीवन में है ही इतना stress कि खाना से ही सुकून मिलता है, तो it's very hard to control your food when you're so stressed in life. And मैं ऐसा भी नहीं बोल सकती कि रीत आएगा तो I will अपने आप lose weight and my stress will go down because रीत आएगा तो he will want to eat benne dosa and he wants every day Reet wants to eat something from out. He's a big chatora. He doesn't like घर का खाना only. Okay, for perfume today I'm going to do you have any guesses? I'm feeling very feminine. I'm going to do layering. Let's do Sol de Janeiro Vanilla. Oh, this is such a nice one. Pistachio and solid caramel 62. Sol de Janeiro. And I'm going to layer this with a little creamy perfume. Let me go in my other perfume vanity and layer the other one. फटाफट browse कर लेते हैं. 12 बजे एक और call है.
2 hours later.
Our sample is still a work in progress. It's not the finished sample. We are taking feedback. This is our first in-person focus group we are hosting. Okay, you all can try and give us as much feedback as you want on the product. Finally, मैं सिर्फ आपको हमारा sample पिलाऊंगी. फिर उसमें आपको जितना भी feedback देना है, tell me.
I will not eat.
Thank you.
So if they don't watch it that time, तो मैं अकेले जाके खाना खा लेती हूँ. But I watch it. So like you are motivating so many people at the same time. Like you have no idea what impact that makes.
And especially what you're doing for coffee, because I used to have
Exactly.
Nescafe and it has chicory and robusta and it doesn't suit me. So I think since the past 4 years I've stopped consuming it, and even my father knows. So he had come to Bombay and he was like, let's meet. I was like, I have to go for this event, but because you know it's. And he also knows that I will order the coffee. It's a monthly thing that I do. So he was like, okay, go. It's okay. So
Very refreshing. Masala. More refreshing.
इट्स द सेम फॉर्मूला, बस अपना मिर्ची पाउडर थोड़ा और डाला है बस. ठीक है, मुझे मिर्ची पे फीडबैक दो. गाइस मिर्ची पे फीडबैक दो मेरे को. अभी और डालूंगी ना हलक में अटके. तुम लोग बड़े बड़े सिप नहीं ले रहे हो. बड़ा गल, टेक अ बिग गल. This will come in batch number 3 because अभी मेरे पास बहुत गोवा चिली पड़ा है, उसके बाद आएगा ये. Ma'am here has come from Pune for the focus group.
it was totally worth it. I would say I had so much fun, and you're so sweet, to be honest.
Thank you so much, dude. Like coming all the way from Pune, like sometimes
I thought a lot of people would come actually.
focus group is very intimate. Like focus
I know.
group.
मैंने सिर्फ भरने के लिए वो फॉर्म भर दिया था. I never thought I would get selected. घूमने वगैरह like कौन इतना करेगा. It was totally worth it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. Oh my God, means a lot. And thank you for your feedback.
One hour later.
That focus group was such a success. It was really nice, so insightful. Like I was saying before the focus group, Impulse customers are such smart people, like such insightful people who know what they are buying. That's what I was telling the girls in the focus group, that I really appreciate that they are not just buying the coffee because of me. They are not just buying it because it's Sarah's brand. They are buying it because the product is good and they are choosing better with Impulse. And that mission is about to get so much bigger, so much larger and so much stronger. And I'm so excited for a lot that is coming at Impulse, which I cannot reveal all to y'all. But stay tuned on the socials. But it was so insightful, like so insightful. आज का फोकस ग्रुप बहुत इंसाइटफुल था. बहुत कुछ समझा मुझे प्रोडक्ट का. जो सैम्पल्स थे, तो बेसिकली हम वी डिड 1 राउंड ऑफ ब्लाइंड टेस्टिंग, जिधर हमने हमारा सैम्पल पिलाया विथ अदर ब्रांड्स का सैम्पल, एंड देन बेंचमार्क्ड व्हाट पीपल आर लाइकिंग, and then we made them try other samples we have from our labs, and then they chose and gave feedback. Everything filled a form, so it's super insightful. It's like a proper study, like a consumer study that we do to understand, because I really want to change the way people consume beverages in India, and I really want to make it for the Indian consumers. I feel like we keep saying that global brand का standard हमको India में लाना है, but nobody is doing it the way people are doing it globally. This is the benchmark of how people formulate products globally. They ask consumers, they do consumer study. In India, I feel brands miss the whole point, that when you say you're making it for Indians, you forget to ask Indians what they want. So I want to change that complete approach and do it very systematically. I really envision a bigger office for Impulse, क्योंकि आज का consumer group में जितने लोगों को my team member had called, everyone showed up, which rarely happens. So this product maybe has peak excitement for people. This product itself is so interesting for people कि सभी लोग आ गए जितने invited थे. वरना हम लोग ने anticipate नहीं किया था. यूजुअली फोकस ग्रुप में जितनों को बुलाते हैं उसका 70% टर्नआउट होता है. इधर सब आ गए, तो हमको ऑफिस छोटा पड़ रहा था. तो इंशाल्लाह we'll have to like upgrade the office, and next time keep in mind that we need a meeting room for our focus groups specifically. But yeah, it was super insightful, really nice. I am reaching home now. It's currently 6:47. I'm reaching home in 10 minutes and I have a massage booked. So excited for my massage. I really need it.
The next day.
This Sunday morning, I am pampering myself because I've been so low mentally. So look at the breakfast I have got. I'm a total breakfast girly. I've got eggs Benedict, I've got hash brown and a chili cheese cheddar omelette. I've made my coffee and this sea salt cookie. All of this food is from Bombay Brioche. And I made my coffee in almond milk with jaggery as a sweetener, and it's turned out so good. It's perfect. I already had a sip of my coffee. This is the perfect breakfast because I'm feeling so... It's actually brunch. 12:30 बज रहे हैं.
I have a sudden Sunday urge to get a tattoo. I have been meaning to get this tattoo for so freaking long, like so long. It is such a special tattoo and मेरी life में जब भी मुश्किलें आई है, I've always thought कि मैं ये मुश्किल cross करूँगी, I will then get this tattoo. I kept dealing it. In fact, I have had this tattoo in my mind, I think since 12th standard, and I was dealing with fibromyalgia. That's a health condition. By the way, I'm eating Lay's. I'm eating Lay's today. आज पूरा दिन junk food खाया है मैंने, बहुत junk food खाया. Mom dad आए थे मुझे बनमस का चाय पिला के गए नागौरी की. So I've had this tattoo on my mind since such a long time. I've wanted to get it. जब मेरा ACL tear हुआ था, जब मैं fibromyalgia से deal कर रही थी, at every stage in my life जो भी मुश्किल आई है मैंने सोची थी कि इस मुश्किल से मैं जब निकल जाऊंगी तब I will get this tattoo. Okay, so it's Sabr written in Arabic, and I've had faith written here for the longest time, and I wanted to get Sabr over here and like have both my faiths on like both my wrists. And मैंने बहुत टाइम से tattoo नहीं किया था. Last one I did was a turtle over here in Bali. That was 2 years ago. So in 2 years I haven't gotten a tattoo. So today I don't know why, I just was scrolling through Pinterest. I saw it and I was like, you know what? I think today is the day. Sunday, something exciting. मेरी life बड़ी boring चल रही है. So I just called my tattoo artist home. He's been my tattoo artist forever. मेरे सारे tattoos उसने किया except this crescent moon one which I have here, and this one which I got in Bali. This was done by an artist in Gorai, and this is done in Bali, and this is done in Amsterdam. Anthropy this is done in Amsterdam. बाकी सब मेरे tattoos उसने किया. His name is Amit, and he comes home also if you want him to. So I always call him home and I get it done. So he's coming home and I'm gonna get Sabr over here tattooed. Finally, the day has come that I'm getting that tattoo. That honestly is such a personal story कि मैंने कितनी देर से ये tattoo plan किया था. Magic Masala is the best Lay's ever, literally in all of the world. Don't come at me. मेरे को एक्चुअली चाय से एसिडिटी होती है. पापा ने चाय पिला दी है, उससे एसिडिटी हो रही थी, तो अब मैं चिप्स खा रही हूँ. वो मसाला चाहिए मुझे मुंह में. Such a weird combo.
A few moments later.
जिम तो यहाँ पे है ना बिल्डिंग में.
हाँ जिम बिल्डिंग में, पर तुम इतना मेरा टैटू सही से नहीं हुआ ना.
अरे
Let's start. मेरे को जिम जाना है. वेट नहीं उठाऊं, बट ये मसल थोड़े खींचता है.
नहीं ऐसे करोगे तो पंप होगा ना वो.
इतने से मैं पंप होगा. मेरे को मैंने इधर इसलिए कराई ताकि मैं वेट उठा पाऊं.
नहीं वो इतना मत उठा.
My gym trainer won't be happy to hear this. Guys, it's ready. Oh my god, मैं इतने साल रुकी हूँ अमित ये टैटू बनाने के लिए. मैंने कितनी बार जब भी तुमको मैसेज की होगी ना कि मैं कोई बनाना है, मुझे यही बनाना था.
थैंक यू, आप मेरे को ही बुलाया.
Of course, आपको ही बुलाऊंगी. इतना शॉर्ट नोटिस में तो सिर्फ तुम ही आओगे अमित. Yay, it's so cute. I love it. ये रिमाइंडर है.
मेरे वाला सब्सक्राइब करना.
Subscribe to Amit's channel, guys. Amit ने भी channel start किया. You have to subscribe to his channel. Yes. And he also microblades brows, by the way. Yeah. अगर आपके brows आपको permanently tattoo कराने, that's also a good thing to do.
या प्लीज एक बार डैम करना. अच्छा बनाते हैं.
हाँ.
आप लोग एक बार बनाओगे तो फिर बार बार बनाते रहोगे.
यार मेरे सारे टैटूज अमित ने बनाया. मैं वही बोल रही थी. यस लिटरली 30 मिनट्स में इतना लेट आया, बट ही डिड इट.
ये एवरी टाइम इसका यही है. इनको बहुत जल्दी होती है सब. और एंड मोमेंट में इनको सिर्फ याद आता है टैटू के लिए.
देखो दोपहर को 2 बजे आई लाइक आओगे 6 बजे एंड ही केम एंड 7 o'clock ही केम, बट ही डिड सच अ गुड जॉब. लाइक लुक एट दैट, क्लीन, एकदम क्लीन बना है. मस्त लग रहा है. क्या लगाना है? कैलेंड्यूला. और लिफ्ट नहीं करना है वेट्स. दिस इज माई रिमाइंडर टू कीप सम पेशेंस इन लाइफ. यू शुड ऑल्सो कीप. ओके, अभी जिम भागना है.
1 hour later.
Who is this in my house without my permission has arrived?
सत्यम लक्ष्मी.
सत्यम, तूने इसको अंदर कैसे आने दिया? कौन है ये आदमी?
मैं है तुम्हारा प्यार.
Oh, I missed you, idiot.
Missed you.
I know you were coming. I saw your this.
My stories.
Yeah, your airport stories. I knew the next flight is taking you to Bombay.
Yeah.
Look at him. Fudgy has the best time. वो गया कैसे आपके पास? फज? उसको पता है कुत्तों ने काटा. पीछे देखो, उसको दाग लगा है. इतना बीमार था वो, अब भी ठीक हुआ है.
क्या हुआ? Hello.
Skin is looking so good. We already ate the food, so I have nothing to show you. But mummy made din tai fung wala noodles, which she's put recipe on. Mom made it. How was it? Review.
So yummy, so spicy,
That
but feeling good. My nose was leaking, And yeah, now it's gonna.
Has your spice tolerance
No. This
gone
is
down?
just super spicy. But
Yeah, it
it's
was,
gonna
it
be
was.
better
Okay.
once I have some of this
Iced tea, yeah. I'm making him
So-
try our iced tea. Of course, he's never tried it.
This is guava.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the? There's no sugar.
There's sweeteners, sorbitol sucralose.
Let me try the other one.
You find it sour?
No,
Okay.
no. It's like I could drink the whole thing in one sip.
That's lemon.
Lemon.
Mm-hmm.
I really like this one.
Guava chili?
It tastes like I'm eating like the guava with the powder on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you do?
Mixing.
Oh my god, give me. I like lemon.
Mm.
Lemon's
This
very.
is really good.
Yeah?
I would buy this one. Yeah.
Guava we sell individually also as a pack, but lemon is picked up on demand, so I'm gonna launch lemon also.
What do you mean?
Like
It's from
first,
the variety pack.
yeah, from the
Okay.
variety pack, yeah. Lemon and pineapple are not available individually, but people wanted them, so now we're
Yeah.
launching it at the end of the month.
And this one you can get.
Yeah,
This
individually.
is really good. Guys, you should buy this one.
Guava chili.
It's like you're on a holiday somewhere and just so yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's only 59 calories.
For the whole cup.
Yeah.
And that's fine. I don't calorie count, so
Clearly. I don't either, but a lot of my consumers do.
yeah,
so-
people are conscious about calories, so
A big glasses. Oh, I love the lemon. Lemon is like Nestea ka lemon, but better for you. Like I've cracked the lemon perfect. People love that Nestea iced tea
this
lemon.
is like Nimbu Pani vibes.
Nimbu pani, yeah, exactly. Very organic. In fact, this lemon is better than my sugared lemon. Jo first I had launched sugared versions, which people gave me backlash for. Then I launched this. So this lemon flavoring is better than my previous lemon flavoring also. I know because I changed the flavoring vendor. I'm changing the flavoring vendor for blueberry also. Blueberry people are not liking. So I got feedback on that. Even I did a
Yeah.
consumer focus group. So blueberry is
Oh, yeah.
okayish. And guava chili, the one you're having, I have a new sample which is now approved even by my consumers, which has a higher chili kick. Literally came to me yesterday in the morning in the mail. Made the consumers try yesterday in the focus group. They approved it. So we are going for a stronger chili kick because the people who are buying it, they're saying the chili kick is not strong enough.
Yeah. But I think I'm not looking for that chili kick. I'm like
Even I was a little afraid because it was already sugar free. A lot of people are like, it's sour. Like, you know,
that
sweetness is
guava
such a...
flavor is there.
Yeah.
And that's really special. Like I feel like you don't get that easily.
True. But yeah, people want the chili kick, so they're gonna get the chili kick now. I'm like, give the consumers what they want. I think when you're buying a pack that says guava chili, your expectations
the
for
chili,
your
yeah.
expectation for sweet is anyways low, and I think that should be fine.
Where's this from?
Reed's friend Swagat had given me. I call him
It's so
Finn.
nice.
Yeah, it's a snow leopard. I call him Finn. It's Reed's reminder to take me to Finland.
And me also.
That's one free. Till now, I didn't even know you were coming, and he doesn't even know you're here right now. I'll have to call him and tell him.
Yeah. We've never met. But
Yeah. Oh my God. Wow. I am forgetting when I last saw this idiot. I saw you in New York. Look, the vlog is literally
Yeah, I
here.
know.
I was missing Reet so much and family time so much. I was watching our Goa vlog, and look at the algorithm. It knows that Mali's here, so it's picked up on the New York vlog.
yeah. We should watch it. I watch it sometimes. Like when I'm like, what did we do? Like, what was my life like? You know, it's fun. It's so fun to have these vlogs and like recount and like see what your memories you made. Before.
Yeah, I know, yeah. I watch them only for me. Like, when people ask me, why do I vlog? I'm like, I'm gonna vlog till the dying breath because
Yeah.
my children will watch what their mom did.
Otherwise, you only forget like what you did.
True!
It's
And
so-
who looks at pictures? Once you come back from a trip, do you ever look at your trip
No,
pictures?
it's like it's kind of boring.
Yeah, so
It's videos are just you just play it, listen to it.
I love having iced tea in the night. It's so like light on the stomach also.
There's no caffeine.
It's
Or it
very
has
minimal. The
caffeine.
black
Okay.
there is black tea extract is very less as compared to your like matcha and coffee. It's fine. Like
Yeah.
this is nothing.
Like it won't keep you up. And
Yeah,
stuff.
for sure. Also, it has vitamins, so you feel really good on your gut. Like it's fresh.
Yeah.
The next day.
मेरी माँ मेड इट का 57th बर्थडे है कल एंड आई हैव टू गो गेट हर समथिंग स्पेशल. ऑफ कोर्स वी आर डूइंग लाइक अ मिडनाइट सरप्राइज फॉर हर टुनाइट. सो Larissa is coming, Nani is coming, Mally has come. So he's still staying at my house only, and Larissa, Nanu, Sabbo, Ishu, all of them are also coming to my house. Now I just have to plan with all of them कि सरप्राइज मेरे घर पे करना है कि मम्मी को घर पे उनके घर पे जाके सरप्राइज देना है. एंड आई हैव नॉट येट got her a gift, so I am planning to get her something in jewelry. Of course my mom is a big jewelry lover. She's Mangalorean through and through. She loves her gold, she loves her diamonds. So papa is meeting me in the jewelry store now to see what we can get mummy. And yeah, so excited. My mother is starting 57. Oh my god, it sucks when you're starting to get older and your parents are also. My parents are young at heart, okay, mashallah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. And my mom had a really bad birthday last year उनका पैर फ्रैक्चर हुआ था, राइट? कि लास्ट ईयर हुआ था, याद नहीं है मेरे को. लास्ट ईयर हुआ था पैर फ्रैक्चर? नहीं, लास्ट ईयर हुआ था पैर फ्रैक्चर उनका. तो लास्ट ईयर हमने क्या किया था उनके बर्थडे पे? ये मेमोरी बहुत खराब हो गई है. आज उनको एक्चुअली उनके फोटोज चाहिए थे, मुझे देने भी उनको फोटो. शी वांट्स टू पुट अ फोटो डंप ऑन मामी. शी इज टेलिंग मी मुझे करूसिल डालना है. ऐसे ओ डंप, एंड शी इज लाइक नहीं करूसिल, लाइक उसको फोटो डंप बोलते हैं मम्मी इन जेन ज़ी टर्म्स. Faju comes to office now. He's like one proper like assistant chief happiness officer who sits till last working. I was working till the last in office because आज मैं लेट भी गई थी ऑफिस. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं जल्दी गई थी, मैं लेट गई थी. एंड तो मैं लेट निकली और मैं कल नहीं जाने का सोच रही हूँ ऑफिस, क्योंकि मेरी माँ का बर्थडे है. तो हम मम्मी बोली छुट्टी ले मेरे लिए, तो मैं बोली ठीक है मैं छुट्टी लेती हूँ. दिस इज नाइस. व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
नेकलेस है, बहुत है, मतलब ऐसा चेन टाइप भी वैसा.
तेरा जो टेनिस ब्रेसलेट था ना वैसा.
ये टेनिस ब्रेसलेट जैसा है, ये भी मेरे को अच्छा लगा, बट दिस इज मोर हर स्टाइल. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ये पहनेगी मम्मी. ये अगर मम्मी आई और मम्मी को अच्छा लगा तो मम्मी ले सकती है. अभी हम लिए और नहीं अच्छा लगा तो फिर फटका लग जाएगा. है तो बड़ा खूबसूरत चीज. या इट हैज दैट वाओ फैक्टर.
Yeah.
It has a wow factor. And practical.
या लाइक आई वांटेड टू वेयर इट फॉर अ डेली शूट वगैरह के लिए उनके. मेरे डॉग को बहुत डर लगता है बलून से. आप आराम से इधर लगा दो, बस सब कुछ छोड़ दो हवा में. फज's बिगेस्ट नाइटमेयर इज बलून्स. ओके. और 57 एंड फैबुलस वो आप अभी इधर ब्लो करोगे. लेट हिम डू अ साइट विजिट. ही इज नॉट अंडरस्टूड व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. उसको समझा नहीं है कि क्या हुआ है. उसको ऊपर नहीं दिख रहा है ना. What has happened? वो छोटा था ना तो उसने बहुत बलून फूटते हुए देख लिया था, तो उसको डर लगता है. गया दुम दबा के. वे हो गई. What happened? Nothing happened. What is there? Come make susu. Come. Susu making. Come make susu. Who's this Baba? Baba is also not well. Rita uncle is also not well. What is happening to everyone? Oh my god. Wow, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. Yeah. Yeah? You like it? He's dying over there and he's sending me flowers over here. Can you just come back? Reed sent me this fridge magnet, you guys. From Ferns and Petals उसने fridge magnet और फूल भिजवाया है. अब मम्मी के लिए भिजवाया है कि मेरे लिए भिजवाया है, we'll never know.
Shut up.
क्योंकि मेरी माँ
भिजवाता तो आंटी के साथ घर पे भिजवाता ना. तुम्हारे घर पे क्यों भिजवाऊंगा?
Very pretty. Lilies are my favorite flower. Reed always gets me lilies.
A few moments later.
Guys, these balloon people have not got the memo properly. उन लोगों को 57 and fabulous बोला था मैंने. Fabulous के आधे वर्ड आए नहीं है, तो अभी we will have to go with fab 57. And fab का golden is also not matching, but we will make do with what we got. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, we also thought that, then we modified the plan. But the helium balloons look good. ऊपर का मस्त लग रहा है, तो I think it's fine. कोई ध्यान नहीं देगा. This was my reference to the balloon person, and this is our reality. No, he gets scared of balloon.
My madam, you know so.
Which madam?
I took one small one.
New dog.
She took a new dog?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I wanted to give name. Like
Suzy.
I said.
No, I have to see the dog and I will give name. You don't give
He
name.
already gave them Suzy.
Again Suzy?
Suji means Suji type of.
Suji type only. Fudge is also laughing. All dogs Nana has Suji, Brownie, Blackie.
She's laughing. She's laughing.
It's he Nana.
All kids.
He's scared of balloon. So balloon आया तो he came quietly, sat on the top and he's like, I'll sleep with Ishan. It's okay, out of my syllabus. Parties are.
Coming to Madalina, no patta only. No patta only.
What do you mean? No pata for.
Mud Island is not his kind of house. How बिचारा will survive? वो New York से आया है and you want him to stay in Mud Island.
I want to try, but we need to slowly
Improve Mud Island.
the condition.
No, but one work finished now, yours.
Yeah.
No Sabrina, bachelor party हो रही है क्या? अभी जो लगा है balloon ठीक है. कितना balloon लगाएगी? Check I bought for your daughter gift.
Acha, your gift first now. Nice, Sarah. Very nice. Sarah, go bye. She's very happy. Diamond, no? For me. Yeah.
No, diamond ऐसा.
मग रास्ताच काढला तुम्ही.
Because
तुझे रिएक्शन
Sure. Let's see.
मम्मी बोलती है ये कहाँ मेरे को लेके जा रहा है रात के टाइम पे क्या मालूम बुढ़े लोग कहाँ जाएंगे मैं कहाँ डेजर्ट खाती हूँ
कोण लेके आएगा?
Papa took mummy for a date outside for a drive. So mummy is not interested to go.
अच्छा.
Because old people no love romance, nothing.
Then I want
Date.
I came to Malaysia to yeah.
Yeah. Single, but you are single, no? Single and not ready to mingle.
Give me some face.
What face? Give me some. इधर दुकान लगाई हूँ मैंने तेरे को जो चाहिए लेना चुपचाप. Don't put that.
See.
That is a lip balm. तो क्या गाल पे लगाएगी सबरीना? ये ले गाल पे लगा. अच्छे से blend करना. Did you like it?
Yeah, so beautiful.
रीत
It's on gold.
Yeah, it's on gold. रीत क्या?
रीत अच्छा होता था आता था.
I know he's missing mummy a lot.
या वही में.
उसने ये दिया मम्मी को.
कौन रीत?
रीत ने.
अच्छा.
It's the bouquet of all bouquets. Show. It's so beautiful. Or should we put it there on the coffee table? Sabina, put it there. You also bought small bouquet gift.
Small bouquet, yeah.
Perfect. We will put in this one. Come out. They are coming up already. I put them all inside. You come from this room. Okay, come. Go in that room. Come now on your own.
इसलिए तुम ये स्टोरी सब बोल रहे थे अब मेरे को बोल रहे होप शी डजंट गेट एंग्री ऑन मी
You? Yeah. So that
was going to
Thank you.
Happy
I knew that he's up to something. You know?
Yes.
He took me to buy Faluda.
At least you got something you like.
Yeah.
Wreaths and flowers for you.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah.
I missed him the most, but
Of course. Your full child is there 5'11", but missed the other one. You like
So,
it?
you ordered the cake?
scared of balloons.
Yeah, Fudge is sleeping inside. Yeah, cake is in the fridge.
He gets scared of balloons now, Fudge.
Yes. That's why he's sleeping in the bedroom.
Oh, how sad.
Are you happy, Mom?
Yes, I'm very happy.
What do you want to do tomorrow?
Whatever you think of. If you have planned something special.
Yes.
Happy birthday! Mommy, you?
Happy birthday to
तू कितना गई?
माझी रंगीचं नाव कसं रखते?
माँ तो जिंदगी का What do you all need? Everybody's need is
She's only worried about it.
Yeah. Thank you so much. The weight of the bouquet and your weight is same. Oh, nice. That's a compliment. Thank you. You're so lucky, you know, you got a chance to be on my birthday. My birthday. Can you believe it?
All of you wish nicely.
Yeah, we're wishing nicely only. Let him sleep, let him sleep.
Let him sleep now, Mamu. All my favorite people in one house. I'm so happy. You know that? I'm so happy. All you're doing only, na?
You want to be more happy? This is for you.
So soon you're not waiting.
No, so she has to wear it for a picture. It's already 12, right? Yeah, it is your birthday.
Really spent for me. Wow! So pretty. But just see what your mama gave me. For you. See, pretty.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice, yeah. So beautiful. Very nice.
You like it?
God bless you, my child.
Happy?
Yes, very happy.
Everything you got. Your
Now
diamond.
Everybody go. I got this. That's why you didn't come home so early today.
Yeah, after office I took Papa and went to buy this.
And I'm asking me, saying Nagori pe chai pi raha ho. So obviously.
How he can tell you? Pradeep mein jewelry kharid raha hu.
Where are you?
Happy? Nice, you like it? Wear it?
yes,
So that you wear it, I give you now. This is Reeth's gift. This Reeth gave.
Oh.
He was so particular that your gift has to reach.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Like it?
Very nice.
Yes, very pretty.
Very pretty, very pretty. He's gifting everyone watches this time.
He
gifted
Ishan, because he's shifting.
Yeah. Dress is not looking nice. This
It's looking good. I wanted you to wear your new diamond for your new birthday. New year, new diamond.
is a new outfit only.
Arey, mummy, you like jewelry, no?
Acha.
Ulta it is. Barabar. Yeah. Nice, you like it?
Yes, so nice.
Do you feel like a queen now?
Yes, not like a queen, like a privileged person.
It's 2 o'clock in the night. We removed everything because Fudge is so scared. His tail is down, मतलब वो डरा हुआ है. उसको पता है कि हमने इधर बाहर लगा दिया है सब balloons. कल सुबह तक गिर जाएंगे and then the safai people will come and take it. Fudge hates balloons. All this is just paisa waste in my house, just for aesthetic content or pictures or whatever. I mean, I would love to do a floral decor, but they are more expensive and they also will wither away. So unless it's a wedding, there's no floral decor. Now he's so happy. Look at him. अब देखो दुम ऊपर आ गई. Fudgy, okay, all balloon is gone. अभी दुम ऊपर आ गई. अभी तक नीचे थी. अभी अयो अयो. अभी तो दुम हिल भी रही है. अयो 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 अयो. पूरी पार्टी में मेरी माँ के वो इतना उदास था. ईशान के साथ बिस्तर पे सोया था वो. ईशान is gone. Sabu is gone. Now Shushumek, come on Shushumek. Good night Shushumek. Chalo. I kid you not, once you train your dog, you will have the best life with your dog. Like, I understand my dog's signs and symptoms and the way he's going to react to things, everything इतना आसानी से. Like, Fudge को वो छोटा बेबी था ना, तभी 1-2 balloon उसके पास फूटे थे. So he got trauma at a very early young age. That's why he's scared of balloons. So I've understood that at a young age only. So we know how to deal with it. Like, the minute the balloon guy came, Fudge just went inside and slept with Ishan on the bed, and pura night he was with Ishan on the bed. He now is fine. Like, now he's comfortable. We don't even keep it in the house कि अरे पैसा भरा है तो decoration रखते. Nothing. Party खत्म, balloon खत्म, बाहर. My dog is comfortable and happy in his house, and it's just like once you live with a dog and you start reading his signs and his this, it's so nice. Like, you have a companion for life. No, my companion for life. No, my Shuni Baba. Sheepy time.
The next morning.
Guys, wish Sharon's birthday also. Looking hot and all. खाली मेरे को बीमारी का नाटक करती है. She's actually fit and fine.
God.
She just doesn't want to come to work. She doesn't want to come to work, so she's making all these excuses.
I am working. मेरा बर्थडे पे भी मुझे कोई बोलता है अच्छा बर्थडे ना why are you text replying back? मैं बोली काम तो चाहिए ना पैसा चाहिए मेरे को. पैसे की.
Somebody commented on one of our Korea videos saying, "Is Sharon also rich?"
Yeah, Sharon wishes to be rich.
Inshallah, I was gonna say inshallah.
Excited.
Last birthday in pain. Get it over with after this.
मुझे also next year that only. Yes, I'm so excited.
It's gonna be amazing. Okay guys, it is Sharon's birthday also, but she's out with her friends and fam celebrating. So we will celebrate with her when she comes to office tomorrow. I had a very nice coffee right now and some eggs that Mally had made since 11 o'clock because I got up at 11, so he made me eggs and I ate them at 3:30. Feel like going to office. I told you I'm mentally feeling low in the last vlog, right? So mental health की जो बजी पड़ी हो तो काम अच्छे से होता है मेरे से. So I'm a psycho like that. Like when I can't, my emotional side is not working right, but my practical side is working right. So I use my forebrain and work. Like even when Fudge got bit, I picked Fudge up and I went to the office because I can just work when I'm not doing well emotionally. Is that somebody else also? Let me know in the comments. Are you coming to office with me?
Yeah.
Are you going to behave yourself in office?
You said they're annoying, so I'm going to trouble them.
They are not annoying. My team is very good. Let's get ready for work.